The Galaxy S24 Ultra will be graced with 3 exclusive colors, all boasting light shades that add a touch of sophistication to the already impressive flagship device. The color palette includes a serene blue, a refreshing green, and a vibrant orange. Each hue brings its distinct personality to the forefront. Upon closer inspection, it's revealed that the blue and green variants feature sleek black middle frames, enhancing the overall aesthetic appeal. On the other hand, the orange variant takes a different approach with a silver middle frame, offering users a choice that caters to diverse preferences. Galaxy S24 series phones are expected to keep the same price as their predecessors. Repairs and hardware replacement will also cost the same, at least in Europe. The official prices aren't confirmed since the phones haven't been announced. Repairing a broken screen of a Galaxy S24 Ultra will indeed be in the Euro 375 ballpark. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is supposed to be slightly more durable, given that it will have a titanium alloy frame instead of an aluminum one. As a Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus Exynos Tune T400 chipset for almost everyone, some markets like the United States and Canada will likely get the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, made by California-based Qualcomm.